Alright, what's up guys? So, new package arrived. It's for the iPad Dash, so let's open it real quick. Alright, so I already went ahead and opened it, but you see a little thank you note. Supporting. Here's a little iPad Dash kit. It's a slider kit, so literally you slide it in, pause. Treat me like what Alright, so let me open this real quick. Alright, so here's the iPad slider dash kit. Came in this little nice material to make sure the camera and the iPad won't scratch up, so that's pretty nice. And then here's where you slide it in, pause. Hence the name. You slide it in, and then there you go, so it locks into place. And right here in the back is where the C-type connector for the iPad goes in. Running it back to where it goes in the back of the bezel, so I could also charge it as well. So yeah, so all you do is just pull it down, and then there you go. And same thing. There you go. Just gotta trust the process. Alright guys, I'm in the truck now. About to remove this radio bezel. So let's do it real quick. It's always late when I'm trying to work on this truck, bro, but it'll be alright. Alright, so first thing you wanna do is First thing you want to do is, there should be a little plate, and then you just pick it off. It should be easy. 20-bit screws in here. You just remove them. Supposedly, this radio bezel is attached by a speed clip, so you just want to like go at it at an angle. Oh shit! Oh. Alright guys, so I just removed it just now. It's held in by a speed clip, so all you gotta do is just pull on it. You should hear some cracking, but it's just the speed clips. You'd be fine. But alright guys, I just removed it just now. Alright, so let's go inside. So now I'm gonna be taking off the screws for the vents, and as well as the volume knobs and the traction control and the hazards as well. Alright guys, so finished off stripping it, the fans and the holders as well. So I'm gonna be doing some measurements real quick and I'll get back to it. Alright guys, so I'm under the truck. Now I'm gonna remove this real quick, so place this shit down somewhere.
Qué bonito es verte siempre, no te saco de mi mente. Gracias por darle sentido a este loco extrovertido. Esos ojos me enloquecen, yo te quiero intensamente. Gracias por darme alegría. Vieras que falta me hacías, me da vueltas la cabeza. Tomé bastante cerveza, estoy muy enamorado. Quiero que seas mi princesa. Quiero.
Alright, so now I just gotta do the front, so maybe get to it.
Sientes curado y alegras mis días, sabía que en un tiempo tú me llegarías.
Surprise, surprise, motherfucker! The king is back!
Alright, so I have mostly everything what I need to start working on this kit. I'm debating on slicing the edges right here to make them a little more skinnier. I don't know if y'all see, but there's a difference. Long ways going horizontal than going vertical. But I don't know. I'm debating on it. I started taking off the screws on the backside. That way this main centerpiece comes off and I can start working on how much or how tall I want the kit to be, and also so I could just mark it off. So let me just get to that as well.
Para mí y fue tan fácil.
Alright, so I cut off the edges just a little bit so it could be a little bit slimmer on the sides, and it looks pretty good.
Fue perderme en tu amor, simplemente pasó y todo tuyo ya soy. Y antes que pasen más tiempo contigo, amor, tengo que decir que eres el amor de mi vida. Antes que te amen más, escucha por favor.
Alright guys, so finished cutting off the inside of the dash kit. Now I just gotta glue the kit in place with glue and some Bondo, and we should be good.
Sentí cuando te vi.
Alright guys, so last night I was gluing the iPad kit to the radio bezel, and I did that overnight, so by today it could be somewhat glued and it could like partially cure. I'm gonna be tackling on doing the fillers, Bondo work, pasting off, rounding off the edges, sanding it, make it nice and even. Maybe today I could start painting the bezel. Don't know if I want to do it all black, maybe some red accents, I don't know yet. We're gonna find that later, but today that's what I'm gonna be working on. So alright, so I'm in the truck now, and as you can see, woo, I got it mocked up just for now, just to see if I'm liking how things are going. It looks amazing. Can't wait to get this thing done. I'm gonna try to get it done by tonight, but so far it looks good. I put the level on top right here, and está squadra. It's even. It's at 0, so it's pretty good. Show truck ready. Hit it. Alright guys, so I started gluing and doing the fillers off camera. I was just super focused on this, so put a filler right here so I could cover up the gap. Also did a filler on both sides. That way it just covers the gap. Here's a closer view, so I put a filler on the bottom, put a filler on the sides, made room for the USB-C type. I'm gonna do a filler for the top, and then I'm gonna JB weld everything again, and then sand it, and then I'm gonna paint it. So, and this thing's sturdy, man. Like this thing's sturdy.
No se dan cuenta que para hacerlo hay que ser más cabrón. Al que miraban para abajo la vuelta le dio. Diamantes en mi cuello vives. Y a veces me he visto de Gucci de frente a los pies. Relojes, Rolex y cartera y tengo como 10. La camioneta de mis sueños ya me la compré. Y si me dicen presumido por vivir como yo vivo, yo solo disfruto de las cosas porque jalo un chingo. Se fijan en los billetes.
Alright, so off camera I started sanding with 320, and I was sanding, washing it with water, drying it off, then slowly sanding it again. After I felt good with how the kit came out, started putting primer. This is my first coat. I'm gonna be doing 2 to 3 coats, and then I'm putting on paint. So primer cured, so now I'm gonna put some of this black paint on it. So
Vestido camuflajeado, con 20 radios colgados, es que alguien se haya cuidando.
here's the kit. I put 2 coats of black paint on it, so I'm gonna do another pass, and then we should be good from there.
Un militar preparado, para comandante.
I put about 2 coats of primer and 2.5 coats of black spray paint. So now it looks good. It looks all right for what it is. I'm tempted to paint this panel black as well, because these two don't match. So I think I might paint this black as well. I'm gonna just cover off the tape, the red accents, and then paint this black. And I don't know if I want to put some accents on the kit, like a red, like maybe a red like line right here. But I feel like that won't really work well. I feel like making it nice and simple would go a long way. So I think I'm gonna just paint this black. So now that I got it all taped up and matched up, we are ready for primer. So all right, so same thing, we're gonna do 2 to 3 coats of primer, and then we're gonna get ready for paint. So now I'm gonna just let it sit and cure for a bit. So the primer just cured, everything's all nice, dry. So now I'm gonna hit it with the black. So
lo veo como un general, tengo amigos coronel y colores distinguidos.
alright, so I finished painting truck bezel black. I also finished painting this black. I'm gonna add some adhesive so I can paint the back panel. So let me do that real quick.
De aquí les mando un saludo.
Alright, so I got the charging port up in there, glued it, JB welded and everything. The suede is inserted, got it. So now we just gotta see if it locks in. So there you go, and then there you go. I'm gonna do a little thug shake test. Shake test. So see. We chilling. I don't hear anything. All right, so I'm gonna put this together and I'm gonna put it on the truck. All right, what's up, guys? So finally finished painting off the iPad kit and painting the bottom. I was originally gonna go with the red and then the black, but I feel like going simple comes a long way, and it looks good. It looks amazing. So I also put some suede on the inside, so that way the iPad won't scratched up or anything when I am sliding it in, or if I'm removing it, or you know whatnot. So the iPad also looks good in the middle of the center console, but I'm gonna show you how to put it in or install it. You get your iPad right, and then you just insert it like so. Insert it like that. It's hard to do it with one hand, but try my best. And then there you go. And there you go, it's locked into place. I also connected the USB-C type connector dock as well. I'm gonna be running it through the fans on this side that was hidden, and then going in the back, and then it should automatically connect. But it looks good, man.
Medianoche llego y la música suena. Me echo un pase para entrar en la loquera. Te miro llegar y las luces se reflejan. Todos te miraban, yo pongo.
Vete y no vuelvas. Y hasta que tú estés pensando claro, deje ese llanto, porque ese cuento yo ya me lo sé. Dile a tus amigas que no me marquen.
Wanna take a nigga life on perm. Just one punch, lay it back on the sun. Big bless merch, you the bitch. Gonna take a nigga life on perm. Just one punch, lay it back on the sun. Big bless merch, you the bitch.